This is the Glacier Express train. It's a replica of the one that we rode on last October when we were in Switzerland. It's made by a company called BEMO, B-E-M-O, and the engine came equipped DCC and sound. I'm sure you heard a couple of sounds there. And the set comes with 5 cars. Actually, you buy each car separately. So here's the engine. I programmed it to number 7000 because that's what hit me when I was programming it. It's got ESU Loc sound in it, which is pretty cool. And the set, the actual Glacier Express train, has 5 cars. 2 cars that are what they call, I guess, the number 2 car, class 2. And each model is actually a little bit different because they did have different model numbers. This is what they call their panorama car, which is a nice looking car. And then 2 class 1 cars. We actually rode in the class 1 cars when we did the tour. So that was pretty cool. And you can see the tops are nicely decorated. And of course they've got the pantographs on top. And European engines, they can run either way, so there's no need to put it on a Y or a turntable unless they have to work on it. So they've got dual cabs. It's pretty cool. So let's start it up and let's give it a little whirl. Little sound. So the only thing right now is that the instructions are in German, so I'm going to get a friend to translate it. This actually has number 651 on it. I may have to reprogram it to 651, but I think I have a 651 engine somewhere on the layout. It's only going to be run a couple times here just for show, and then it's going to go in my display case so I can look at it in my office. So let's see what we've got here. Let's get her going. A little more sound. Now the way the car's set on the train, if you see it, because it's got the Swiss logo on it, they actually line up. Now they have these NEM couplers on them, so that's as close coupling as you can get on an HO train. We're going to pause it here and then pick it up again. We'll get one more close up. Through the Amtrak station. Why not? Okay, so that sounded pretty cool. So the last thing to do before these go into the showcase is add all the detail parts, and there are a lot of detail parts that get put on. I just wanted to get this thing uh, tested on the railroad because it came directly from Germany, and I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.